morning, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. To start, 42nd lecture on course, that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statement, there are three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome: after the completion of unit number 4, you achieve which CO? Fourth CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. Syllabus for that, total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here syllabus of unit number 4. Now we continue the previous lecture point, that is operations on doubly linked list. In a previous lecture I also told that this point is not important as compared to singly linked list and circular linked list because this is not add in your syllabus, but it is a type of linked list, so your understanding purpose that points are taken. So again reminder to you, remember that you focus on the point singly linked list 99%, and in a syllabus circular linked list also added, that means that concept is important. So next point, deleting a node in DLL. How to delete the nodes in a DLL? In 3 ways. First, deleting a first node in DLL, last node in DLL, and intermediate node, means in a between node. Deleting a node in DLL, in under deleting the first node, change start and make second node as a start of list. Okay, before deleting and after deleting, that said as the change start and make second node as the start of list. Means for you deleting the first node, that time that change the start as the second node, means obviously this node is free, that, and after the deleting the new list is there. Suppose A is a node to be deleted, temp is the next of A. Means you want to delete the A node, then temp is the next node of A. So A is equal to start initialization and A next node is equal to null. If condition is true, then that start next previous is initialized to null. Means this is the start, this is the next, that previous, means there these are the initialized as a null, and that start next, which these node are considered as a start and free the A. This obviously first A will be deleted. Code to delete a starting node from doubly linked list. Okay, the code are there, that's written in the function. While del means for delete functions are created. Struct node temp, one variables are taken. Enter the element to be deleted that are stored in a data variable, and deletion of first node means that start info, check that is equal to data is true. Okay. Then that start as initialized as a temp, and up to that start next not is equal to null, that time when found that start next previous node initialize the null, and that start next as a consider as a start and that free that temp. Means in short in a list, first node, your aim is, task is, first node will be deleted. So that temp next is, sorry, that data is equal to that info, then inner part is executed, and that time that start next previous means that first node, that temp node is the initialize the null, and the start next means the second node as a considered as a start means head, and the first node is free that. Second, deleting last node in DLL. Deleting last node in DLL. First, travel the list up to end. You deleting the last node means obviously you traverse list at the end, means move your pointer one by one at the end. Here Q is the second last node. Okay, Q is the second last node. In that 3 nodes are there, third node is the last node, so that second last node has a Q, and Q next is the node which we have to delete. Okay, that Q next element means obviously last element, delete. So first store the node in temp and free it. Clear that? What is the logic is used? Q is moved, and when you last second elements you found that time to initialize the Q, and next that Q next as a considered as a temp, and using free function temp will be passed that function, means obviously that free hit means that is deleted in a list. Before deletion node last node 30, and after 10 and 20 will be remaining. Code to delete a starting node from doubly linked list. In a function while del start node Q and temp. Okay, enter the element to be deleted, which number data will be deleted, that are stored in a data variable. First initialize the start as a Q. Q next not is equal to null. This is the Q next, that next not is equal to null. That condition is found. Then Q next as a consider the Q pointer, and if Q next info is equal to data means it is the Q pointer. Okay, in that side as the Q next not is equal to null. Okay, this is the null is found, that time stop it, and that Q next, okay, that Q next as a consider as a Q pointer. Let's say as the in that node, for example, this is Q next, that next node is the null, then in this the Q next consider as the Q. After that Q next info means that Q next info is equal to data means 30 we want to delete, so it is equal to, then that Q next means that 30 element as a consider temp, and that Q next means that as the null is initialized means this Q address, Q next field. Okay, this is means 20 value field next is initialized as a null, and free that last node, free that temp means obviously that deleted it, and this second node means that 20 value node is next field you allocate the null means obviously this is the last node on that list. This logic are used. Third possibility is, that is deleting intermediate node. Intermediate means in between. Let's Q be node to be deleted, that shown in a figure. Okay, we can point to Q's previous as well as next node. After the deletion process, Q's previous node must be connected to its next node. For example, in that 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is the previous is the null, last is also null, start. Okay, this is the figure A and figure B. In that Q's previous as a assigned as a R. Okay, that Q's previous node is assigned as a R in a previous node, and Q arrow next. Okay, Q arrow next. Why this type to write the right? Because in the linked list address will be used, means what, pointer is used and structure is used, and structure pointers, the data values are accessed through this arrow operator. So that Q next is assigned as a S variable. After that arg next, okay, which are the arg next field, this S is initialized, that means assign that S to that R of next, and R is assigned to that S of previous. Okay, that S of previous, this R is assigned to that S of previous, means obviously that middle elements are free on that list. In that figure shows that. Okay, that this is connected to this connected to this. Okay, means this is free there. And Q next, the Q next also initialized as a null, and the Q previous is initialized the null, means all these nodes is free on that list and free the Q, and your answer will be found. C program code for deletion of specific node from doubly linked list. While tail functions are taken in that struct node qtemp preview. 3 pointer variables are taken. Enter the element to be deleted, that will be entered in a data variable, and after that start as initialization Q, at Q next and next not is equal to null. Found that condition, means inner part is executed, is that Q of next info field is checked, that is equal to data, then Q of next previous is initialized to previous. After that Q of next is initialized to temp, that temp next is initialized to Q next, and that previous is initialized to again Q next previous and free that temp. Okay, means what, when we find that, for example, you want to 30 number will be found, that when we deleted it, that time that Q next previous is initialized to that previous, and that Q next is initialized to as temp. Okay, and that temp next is initialized to again that Q, means that Q, R and S variables are used that. In that Q means which number will be deleted, that temp means what, the S variables are taken, and PRU means R variables are taken in through diagrammatic with respect to diagrammatic. Okay, that previous means your S variable, that Q of next, that S variable as initialize the previous, then automatically that middle intermediate node will be deleted it, and Q pointer will be incremented to the next node when this condition is false. Summary on that today's lecture. Learn which point operations on doubly linked list in under deleting a node in DLL. DLL means doubly linked list. In under 3 possibilities are there, 3 scenarios are there. Which scenarios? Deleting a first node in a DLL, deleting last node in a DLL, and deleting intermediate node in a DLL. Okay. Here homework on that. Continue the assignment number 4, that is explain deleting node in a DLL, only for explain the theory part. Okay. Again, and remember that these are the not the point in your syllabus, so it is not important as compared to other points, but it is a type of linked list, so only for you understand what is mean by linked list. Okay, that's why that are taken point, so only for you understand what is mean by doubly linked list and what is how to that operations are performed on it. Okay, only your concept is clear, by chance anytime question that ask the question, then you will be write down. Okay, here stop on today's lecture. In these points any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.